Welcome back, you amazing deep divers, to the Deep Dive. Now, usually we're unraveling ancient mysteries or dissecting dense quantum physics papers, making your brain feel like it just ran a marathon. But today we're taking a delightful detour into the wild, wonderful, and sometimes utterly bewildering world of consumer electronics on Amazon.
Okay, I like the sound of this. A bit of a change of pace.
Exactly. Get ready, because we're about to uncover a gadget that promises to change your home security game and maybe even your social life.
That's right. Forget the stuffy academic journals for a minute. We've got an Amazon product page that's less a description and more a treasure map to peace of mind.
Or at least a highly monitored peace of mind.
Yeah. Our mission, should you choose to accept it, is to extract every juicy nugget of truth, every surprising fact, and figure out if this security system is truly the knight in shining armor your property's been waiting for.
We're going beyond the flashy images, straight into the digital soul of this product. We are talking about the Hiseeu Wireless Pro Wi-Fi security camera system. Now, don't let the name intimidate you. This isn't just some dinky little webcam.
Yeah, definitely not.
We're talking a full-blown 16-channel 4K NVR kit bundled with a mind-boggling 12 5-megapixel cameras.
12 cameras, right out of the box.
Imagine strapping a tiny all-seeing eye to literally every single corner of your property. It's like having a dozen tiny, incredibly dedicated security guards who never ask for a raise or a coffee break.
You're not wrong. While the concept sounds like something out of a spy movie, the practicality is genuinely impressive. This isn't just a handful of cameras, it's a comprehensive surveillance net.
A net, I like that.
These 5-megapixel cameras feed into a 4K NVR, which, for those not fluent in security tech, is essentially the central brain of your entire system.
Brain, got it.
It processes, records, and manages all those high-resolution feeds. And here's where the engineering shines. They're built for both indoor and outdoor use, boasting an IP66 waterproof rating.
IP66, you say. What does that even mean for my backyard? Does it survive a rogue sprinkler or like a serious downpour?
It means it survives more than a rogue sprinkler. IP66 isn't just splash-proof. It's certified to withstand powerful water jets and dust.
Okay, wow.
We're talking heavy snow, high winds, sub-zero temperatures. It's like this system was forged in the fires of Mount Doom, but for your property.
Love that.
It's genuinely ready for pretty much any climate you can throw at it, making it incredibly versatile for all 4 seasons, and then some.
Okay, so it's basically an outdoor action hero. I love it. But here's where it gets really interesting, the part that makes my little sales heart sing. The storage.
Yes, the storage. Always important.
This bad boy comes with a pre-installed 3-terabyte hard drive. 3 terabytes.
That is massive local storage.
Right, meaning absolutely no cloud fees ever. We're talking over 45 days of continuous 24-hour recording. Just think of the money you save not paying those soul-crushing monthly cloud subscriptions.
Your wallet will definitely notice.
It will not just thank you, it will send you flowers and chocolates.
And beyond the immediate cost savings, that local storage is a significant differentiator. We're talking about full data ownership.
Which is huge these days. Privacy matters.
Exactly. You maintain complete control over your footage, bypassing potential privacy risks or data breaches associated with third-party cloud servers. This raises an important question about efficiency, though.
Efficiency? How so?
Well, data integrity and bandwidth. The system uses H.265 plus bandwidth optimization.
Okay, jargon alert. Break that down.
Right. For those playing along at home, this basically delivers a 50% bandwidth reduction compared to older H.264 standards.
50%. Wow.
All while maintaining that crisp 4K, or technically 8MP resolution from the NVR's perspective.
So less internet traffic, clearer picture. It's like having a super efficient data butler.
Precisely. It enables stable transmission even in low bandwidth environments, which is crucial for consistent surveillance without constant buffering or dropped feeds.
Nobody wants their security footage to look like a pixelated flipbook from, like, 1998.
Definitely not. Now, for the starts, which is where things get truly futuristic, it has AI human detection.
Oh, the smarts. This is my favorite part. This isn't your grandma's motion detector that alerts you every time a leaf blows by.
Or a squirrel runs past.
Or a neighborhood cat decides your porch is the new cat cafe. This AI intelligently distinguishes actual people from false alarms, like pets or shadows.
Which is a game changer for alert fatigue.
Totally. So no more waking up at 3 a.m. thinking there's an intruder, only to discover it's just Muffin the cat attempting a daring midnight raid on your bird feeder. It sends alerts only for real threats.
Makes the notifications actually meaningful.
Plus, the night vision is ridiculously sharp, even in absolute darkness, with a 65-foot range. It's like having X-ray vision for your property.
Well, infrared vision.
Okay, infrared vision.
Right.
But only for actual threats, not just a rogue tumbleweed.
Furthermore, the system supports both local and remote control. You can view and control locally without Wi-Fi.
So, truly plug and play right out of the box.
Pretty much. But for remote access, it supports dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity, so whether you're down the street or across the globe, you're connected.
Nice.
And here's a subtle but powerful feature. It even includes one-way audio.
One-way audio, so you can listen in.
You can listen in real time without revealing your presence, which can be a key detail in certain situations.
So you're saying I can secretly listen to my dog's midnight monologues without him knowing. Sold.
Potentially, yes.
This means you get instant notifications right there on your phone, and you can live view or playback anytime from anywhere. No detail missed, no matter where you are.
Whether you're at the grocery store or halfway across the globe.
You are truly in control. It's like having your own personal, silent security force.
So on paper, it sounds like an incredibly robust and intelligent system covering nearly every base.
Right. Seems amazing.
But we both know product claims don't always align with real-world performance, especially with tech. What does the broader customer feedback tell us once it's out of the box and put to the test?
Ah, the moment of truth. Okay, well, the product holds a generally positive 4.2 out of 5-star rating from over 2,900 global ratings.
4.2 is solid, definitely. Not perfect, but solid.
It's solid, but you know how it is. Even Beyonce has a bad hair day sometimes, right?
Sure enough. So what were the main gripes?
Some reviewers mentioned mixed feedback on functionality and connectivity. We saw reports of cameras just stopping work, or issues connecting to Wi-Fi.
Connectivity issues can be a real pain with wireless systems.
Tell me about it. One person even dramatically claimed the picture quality over HDMI was awful, like CRT awful, with too much green.
CRT awful, that's descriptive. Might be an exaggeration, or maybe a faulty unit or setting issue.
Could be. And somebody found the app annoying because it constantly pushes those pesky cloud upgrades.
The upsell.
Which, let's be honest, is the exact opposite of why many people buy these no-fee systems in the first place.
Indeed. And to add to that, some users did report initial hard drive recognition issues. Now, they often said it got resolved with customer support.
Okay, that's a good lead.
But it can be frustrating right out of the gate. Also, that night vision point we made earlier.
Yeah.
Well, generally good.
Yeah.
It struggles when trying to see through a window due to infrared glare. That's a common limitation for IR cameras, but something people need to be aware of. You can't just point it out the living room window and expect perfect night vision.
Right. Physics gets in the way. So what's the typical user experience then? Beyond just the marketing claims, are these minor hiccups or potential deal breakers?
That's the key question.
Great questions. And here's the beautiful Sales Pro approved part. Despite those occasional quirks, the overwhelmingly positive reviews highlight just how stupidly simple it is to set up.
Stupidly simple. I like that.
Yeah, often working right out of the box. Many praise the sharp and reliable video quality and, yes, incredibly good night vision, even with that window caveat we mentioned.
Okay, so the core functionality seems to deliver for most people.
And get this, even the customer support, despite being overseas, is consistently noted as responsive, patient, and effective.
Responsive, patient, and effective from tech support.
I know. In the world of tech support, that's practically a unicorn.
That's a crucial point. It suggests that while some initial challenges may arise, the support structure is genuinely in place to mitigate them.
Exactly.
Many customers found it to be a dependable and affordable surveillance solution with quality matching the price point, especially, and this is key, given there are absolutely no recurring cloud storage fees.
No recurring fees. Say it louder for the people in the back.
That's a massive value proposition for anyone tired of subscription creep.
And speaking of value, this isn't some luxury item costing a small fortune. For the price, currently a limited time deal at $469.98.
Down from about $600 list price?
Down from $599.99, yeah. It's positioned as an incredible value for money option. It's even ranked hashtag 12 in surveillance NVR kits on Amazon's bestsellers.
Number 12 is pretty high up there.
Right, with over 100 bought in the past month alone. People are literally voting with their wallets on this thing.
That's strong social proof. It suggests it's hitting the mark for a significant number of buyers.
It's tried, tested, and approved by the masses, which, Tells you a lot.
It certainly does.
Now, let's get real for a second. Think about your life right now. Without this system, your property is basically a sad, unmonitored salad.
A sad salad, okay.
With this system, you could finally figure out who keeps borrowing your gardening tools without asking. Or catch that squirrel convention that's been plotting against your bird feeder.
The squirrel uprising is real.
Or, imagine this, you could monitor a small army of garden gnomes if they ever decide to rise up against you. This gadget isn't just a security system. It's the Beyoncé of home protection. Flawless, powerful, and everyone wants one.
Okay, maybe dialing back the Beyoncé comparison just a touch.
Never. But seriously, you just know it's going to work for you.
And these aren't just hypothetical scenarios either. Reading through the reviews, one user recounted catching their neighbor backing into their vehicle thanks to the constant DVR playback.
See, real-world proof. Saved them a huge headache.
Exactly. Saved them a potential headache with insurance and demonstrated its value beyond just preventing major crime. Another user, a dog boarding facility owner, uses it for in-house surveillance to see who is naughty.
Catching naughty pups. I love it.
These are tangible, real-world applications of the system's capabilities, demonstrating its practical value far beyond just a deterrent. It's about accountability, evidence, and ultimately genuine peace of mind.
Plus, Amazon offers free product support options, like live phone or chat support.
That's handy.
Manufacturer contact info, troubleshooting guides, and even help videos. So even if you're not super tech savvy like me, sometimes when it comes to connecting two wires that are both red, they've got your back. It's like having a tech wizard in your pocket, ready to fix things whenever you need them. No more fumbling with cryptic manuals or endless YouTube searches.
That accessibility to support is definitely a plus.
So if you're looking for genuine peace of mind, a solid, expandable security system with absolutely no monthly cloud fees,
The magic words.
and even a little bit of the thrill that comes from catching porch pirates in action or just confirming your neighbor did leave their trash cans out on the wrong day again.
Keeping the neighborhood honest.
This Hiseeu wireless pro Wi-Fi security camera system might just be your new best friend. Seriously, it's not just a product, it's an upgrade to your life.
The takeaway here, I think, is that security technology has become incredibly accessible and feature-rich. It's really democratizing what was once considered a luxury for the very wealthy or large businesses. This system offers a compelling package, balancing robust features like those 12 cameras and the 4K NVR with an attractive price point. And crucially, providing local storage options that many users genuinely value in today's subscription-heavy world.
It's about putting control back in your hands.
Exactly.
Don't let FOMO win, friends. Your property deserves this. Your peace of mind deserves this. Click buy before this limited time deal vanishes.
Get it while it's hot.
You can find it through the link we have in the show notes. And yes, if you buy it, you help us continue creating this awesome content.
It's a win-win.
It's a win-win for everyone. Your property gets monitored, your wallet gets a break, and we get to keep doing what we love.
And this raises an important question for you, the listener, to consider. In an increasingly connected world, how much security is truly enough for your specific needs?
Yeah, good question.
And what features truly give you peace of mind in a way that aligns with your privacy values and, of course, your budget?
Lots to think about there. That's all for this deep dive into the Hiseeu security system. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed,
And stay safe.
and maybe, just maybe, stay hilariously secure.